Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I am going to do a review on this Tecanne gel polish set, what the lovely Aggie sent me in her last friend mail. If any of you guys have seen my last friend mail video from Aggie, you remember I showed you this gel polish kit very briefly. So we're going to take a look at what comes inside the box. Now this is available to buy from Amazon, guys. I shall leave a link in my description box below. If anyone's interested in it, they can click the link and head straight over there. To start with, we have got About Tecanne Company, customer services, Tecanne@163.com is their email address. Then on the other side, you've got the instructions. Then we've got another booklet inside about the lamp. So the lamp that comes in this gel polish start kit is the Sun X9 Plus lamp, which is a 48 watt lamp. So yeah, you got the user manual for the lamp as well. Tells you what's in the pack, what each button does, how to use it. So we've got that in the box as well. So the lamp has got 30 seconds, 60 seconds and the 99-second low heat mode with a digital timer. It's got the sensors as well, so if you take your hand out the lamp it stops, put your hand back in it starts again. Really good little lamp. Do you know, Aggie could not have sent this at a better time. Literally a week after I received this parcel, my lamp packed up, so I have actually been using the lamp. It is a really good lamp. So also in the box you get a cute little manicure kit. So you got toe separators, cuticle pusher, scraper, nail brush, nail file, nail buffer, oh another nail buffer, cuticle tool. That's cute. And then we also get 8 gel polishes and base coat and a shiny top coat, and these come in glass bottles, which most of you guys know now I do love glass bottles. You get 8 ml. On the back you've got your instructions. It says UV lamp 120 seconds or an LED lamp for 60 seconds. And you've got your ingredients on the back as well, which I do love. So the top coat and base coat cure for 60 seconds. I just want to take a quick look at the colours, see how long they take to cure, see if they're the same. Yeah, UV lamp 120 seconds, LED lamp 60 seconds, so they're the same. So they all cure in 60 seconds. So let's get swatching them, shall we? Take a look at the colours, see what they like to apply. So I've pulled some swatch sticks out. So the first one is 301. That's a nice colour. It's like a light pink but with a little hint of lilac. Ooh, they're nice and creamy. Oh, beautiful colour. Absolutely beautiful colour. So that's after one coat. Really pretty colour. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Next one is 303, which is their white by the looks of this. So it's kind of an off-white though, it's kind of a creamy white, I would call that. And we have Fluffage. Yeah, it's more of a creamy off-white, I would call that. Nice colour though. Next one is 304. Well, that one's a little bit sheer, this blue. Blues can be a bit hit and miss though. Usually darker blues, not so much pastel-y blues, but that's a shame. I think it'll be alright after the second coat though. After the first coat. Really pretty baby blue. Next one is 305. Again, that one's a little bit sheer as well. After the first coat, 309. Ooh, this is a nice colour. I like this one. Beautiful colour that. They self-level really nice as well. Look at that. I love that one. It's showing more blue on camera than what it actually is. It's more green than it is blue. Oh, it's a gorgeous colour though. Beautiful colour. Next one is 310. That's a nice yellow. Proper pastel yellow. In fact, I don't think I've got a yellow like this in my collection. It's a really pale pastel yellow. Beautiful colour. Look at that, that is really pretty. Next one's 311. Oh, that's a pretty pink. Really pretty pink. Cute. Love that. Really pretty colour. And the last one is 318. Look at this one. Look at that one. Gorgeous lilac. I love that when you can see gel polish self-leveling. Love it. Pretty beautiful lilac that. So let's take a quick look at the base coat. I don't like to base coat swatch sticks, guys. I just think it's a waste of product, to be honest. It's hardly got any smell to it whatsoever. It's quite a runny base coat. As you can see, which I like a runny base coat because it doesn't bulk the nails out. Feels like a really nice base coat. And this is the Tecanne top coat. And that is more on the thicker side. Yeah, quite a lot thicker that is. So I'm going to give them all a second coat off camera, guys, just to save time. And then I shall apply the shiny top coat to them all. Then we'll come back in at the end and take a look at the colours. So that's had 2 coats. Now I'm going to apply a coat of the Tecanne No Wipe Shiny Top Coat over the top. Applies really nice. Like I say, it's quite a thick top coat. I find a thick top coat's nice because it covers glitter and sequins a lot easier than a thin top coat. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So I'm going to apply the top coat to the rest of these swatch sticks, and then we'll come back and take a look at the colours. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. They've all had 2 coats. And actually, after 2 coats, they all look really opaque. I'm really happy with them after 2 coats. Really, really pretty colours, isn't they? Great for this time of year. They're going to be perfect for Easter, spring, even summer, really. They're really, really cool. And I love this one being not a bright white, being like a creamy white, because there's something that I want to try with that. So yeah, that's them all had 2 coats. They've all had a coat of the Tecanne Shiny Top Coat. It's really, really shiny. Look at that. Super shiny. And it is a no wipe top coat as well. So there is no tacky inhibition layer. Yeah, I really, really like them. I thought they was going to be really sheer. Although they've all had 2 coats, this one didn't really need 2 coats. And the lilac didn't really need 2 coats either. But I like to give them all 2 coats anyway, because I just think they're more vibrant when they've had 2 coats. So yeah, that's them all swatched. What do you think? I think they're really, really pretty. Also got the manicure kit as well. And you've got the gel polishes. Absolute perfect little kit if you want to do a gel polish manicure. Really is a good kit and a really good price as well, considering you get 8 coloured gel polishes in glass bottles, 8 mils in each bottle. Yeah, I really think that is a good price. Like I said earlier, I'm going to leave a link to this kit in my description box below, so if anyone's interested, you can head on over and check it out. It's on the UK Amazon. I'm not sure if they do it on the EU Amazon or the USA Amazon. I'm not sure, guys. Sorry about that. All I know is it's available on the UK Amazon. If it is available on the USA and EU, I shall leave the link to that also in my description box below. As of the time of me recording this, I hadn't checked, so I shall find that out for you guys and let you know in my description box. So I want to say a massive, massive thank you to Aggie. Thank you so much, chick. This is a really, really cute kit. Really cute colours. Perfect for this time of year. Absolutely love it. Thank you, chick. The lamp also could not have come at a better time. Perfect time. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.